Drag the Crater Lake map view back to the program area, noticing that the center of the program area is the only place to dock it. Drag the Crater Lake 3D scene view back to the program area, and use the icon to dock it to the right of the map view. Drag the Contents pane to the left edge of the program and dock it there. Drag the Catalog pane to the left edge and use the icon to dock it in the center on top of the Contents pane. Use the tabs at the bottom of the pane to switch back and forth between the two panes. To remove a tabbed pane from the window, it must first be converted to a floating window again. Click the Catalog tab and drag it to make a new floating window. Then dock the window on the left edge of the program area. Practice rearranging the windows to master the docking techniques. When finished, leave the map and scene docked side by side. Place the Contents pane on the left and the Catalog pane on the right of the program area.